Welcome to the first video in our series on electrical engineering. I'm engineering from Electromechanical Engineering Systems, and today we're going to dive into what electrical engineering is all about. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your basics, this series is for you. Let's get started. So what exactly is electrical engineering? At its core, electrical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It's a field that has transformed our world in countless ways. The roots of electrical engineering can be traced back to the late 19th century. Pioneers like Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, and Alexander Graham Bell made groundbreaking discoveries that paved the way for modern electrical technology. Nikola Tesla is known for his work on alternating current, or AC power systems, which are used to power homes and industries today. Thomas Edison, on the other hand, developed the first practical incandescent light bulb and direct current, or DC power distribution system. Today, electrical engineers are at the forefront of innovation. They design the circuits in our smartphones, develop renewable energy solutions like solar and wind power, create electric vehicles, and even build robots and advanced automation systems. Now you might be wondering, what will we cover in this course? Here's a quick overview. We'll start with the basic concepts and units of electricity, like charge, current, voltage, and power. Then we'll explore different electrical components such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Next, we'll dive into circuit theory, learning how to analyze and solve different types of circuits. We'll also cover electronics and semiconductor devices, including diodes and transistors. In addition, we'll study electromagnetism and electromechanical systems like motors and generators. Finally, we'll look at practical applications, circuit design, and electrical safety. So, whether you're looking to start a career in electrical engineering, or just curious about how things work, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified when we release new lessons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more lessons on electrical engineering. Follow us on our social media accounts. You will find the links in description box. In the next lesson, we'll start with the basic concepts of electricity.